Navigating social situations. Being plant-based in a non-vegan world. Living a plant-based lifestyle has gained popularity in recent years due to its associated health benefits, environmental impact, and ethical considerations. However, being plant-based in a predominantly non-vegan world can present challenges when it comes to navigating social situations. Whether it is attending gatherings, going out to eat, or simply engaging in conversations, plant-based individuals often find themselves in the minority and may face various hurdles when trying to adhere to their dietary choices while also maintaining social harmony. One of the most common scenarios plant-based individuals encounter is attending social gatherings or events where food plays a central role. Oftentimes, hosts may not fully understand or accommodate plant-based dietary needs, leading to limited options for the individuals following such a lifestyle. In such situations, it is essential for plant-based individuals to politely communicate their dietary choices to the host, preferably in advance, to allow for suitable accommodations. By explaining their requirements and expressing their gratitude for any efforts made, individuals can foster understanding and create an environment that respects their choices without alienating others. Another challenge plant-based individuals face is dining out in non-vegan restaurants. While vegan options are becoming more prevalent, there are still many establishments that do not provide plant-based dishes. When dining with others who may have different dietary preferences, selecting a restaurant that caters to all can be a daunting task. In this situation, doing some research beforehand to find vegan-friendly restaurants or suggesting a restaurant that offers both plant-based and non-vegan options can be helpful in ensuring that everyone can enjoy their meal without compromising their values. Engaging in conversations about one's dietary choices also calls for careful navigation, as it can elicit a range of reactions from others. Often, encounters with non-vegans result in questions, debates, or criticism about the plant-based lifestyle. While it is important to advocate for one's beliefs, it is equally important to approach these conversations with respect and understanding. Instead of coming across as preachy, individuals can share information about their choices and the reasons behind them without imposing their beliefs onto others. By fostering open and non-judgmental dialogue, it becomes possible to bridge the gap between plant-based individuals and those who adhere to different dietary practices, promoting mutual understanding and respect. In some cases, plant-based individuals may also face social isolation or feelings of being different due to their dietary choices. Being the only person at a gathering or in a friendship circle who follows a plant-based lifestyle can be challenging, as it may feel lonely or isolating. To overcome this, it is important to seek out communities of like-minded individuals. Joining local vegan groups, attending plant-based meetups, or even engaging in online forums can help connect with others who share the same values, providing a sense of belonging and support. Furthermore, it is crucial for plant-based individuals to be open to compromise and flexibility. While it is reasonable to expect others to respect their dietary choices, it is equally important for plant-based individuals to respect the choices of others. In certain situations, such as family gatherings or work events, it may not always be possible to have plant-based options available. In these instances, individuals can focus on consuming non-animal products, such as fruits, vegetables, or bread, and not let perfectionism undermine the enjoyment of social moments. Emphasizing the positive impact that each plant-based meal can make on personal health, the environment, and animal welfare can be a source of motivation to stay committed even in challenging social situations. In conclusion, being plant-based in a non-vegan world presents numerous challenges when it comes to navigating social situations. By effectively communicating dietary needs, seeking out vegan-friendly options, engaging in respectful conversations, and seeking support from like-minded communities, individuals can find ways to maintain their plant-based lifestyle while also fostering social harmony and understanding. Ultimately, it is the collective effort of both those following a plant-based lifestyle and those who do not that will help create a more inclusive and accommodating world for everyone, regardless of their dietary choices. If this information on navigating social situations, being plant-based in a non-vegan world was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.